Praise everywhere, so much peace fills up the air. Ramadan, month of the Quran, I feel it inside.
What is month of Ramadan? It is known as the month of mercy and forgiveness, and it is on the 9th month of Islamic calendar, which is observed by the Muslims. Muslims are the people who follow the Islam religion, so this is the very special time of the year for the people. The Islamic calendar follows a lunar cycle, which means followed patterns to the moon, not the sun. That the 11 days shorter than the ongoing calendar. This means the Ramadan moves 10 to 12 days earlier each year. And on 2030, that would be 2 Ramadans. One is in January and one is in December. What we do in the Ramadan? What happened during the Ramadan? There are different type of activities arranged in the Ramadan. Most people have heard is that of fasting, siyam, mean roza, which is Arabic word of fasting, is the 5 pillars of Islam. It means that Muslims do not consume food or drink between the Fajr and dawn until Maghrib. But now why do people fast? That help Muslim to practice self-discipline, which helps training and control against doing all the bad deeds. It's also help to allow Muslims to reflect against less unfortunate people as they are, and be thankful to Allah blessings. Allah is the Arabic name of God. Not everyone has to fast. Children, pregnant women, sick people and the elderly are not required to fast, as it can harm their health. Breaking fast happens until the meal, normally with family and friends. The first meal to breakfast is called iftar, and the last meal before fast begins is known as sahur. Ramadan is also a special time for the Muslim to reflect on their faith. This is done by praying, reading the Quran, and by doing charitable things for others, such as money, giving money to others, food, clothes, by doing good deeds. That is because the Prophet Muhammad said to be very generous. Especially during Ramadan, Muslims also forgive bad habits they might have. Can you think of any bad habits to give up? During the Ramadan, good deeds and multiply many times, and for doing so Allah will wipe away any sin. The night of power is a special night which comes in the last 10 days of Ramadan. It has said that the night where the Quran was first sent from Allah to Muhammad. If Muslims pray on this night, the reward of praying is equal to praying for thousands months. When does Ramadan end? Ramadan finishes at the end of the lunar month, which means the crescent moon needs to appear again. When the crescent moon is sighted, Ramadan is officially ends and celebrated 3 days celebration is Eid. Families and friends get together, celebrate Eid. During the celebration, people wear new clothes, eat lots of food, put up decoration around the houses and give each other gifts. To everyone who is celebrating Ramadan around the world, Happy Ramadan.
أذهب به أحزاننا فرج به همومنا واجعله شاهدا لنا